Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a faux soup. First, roast your aromatics like ginger and onions until fragrant. Then, simmer beef bones for a minimum of 6 hours, ensuring a rich, flavorful base. Remember to regularly skim any impurities from the surface to achieve that perfectly clear broth. Now, let's infuse that broth with incredible flavor. Toast whole spices such as star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves until they release their fragrant oils. Add these to your simmering broth. Finally, season generously with good quality fish sauce and a touch of rock sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. With the broth simmering, it's time to prepare the other essential components. Soak your dried rice noodles in warm water until they are pliable, then blanch them quickly. Slice your chosen beef, like eye of round, very thinly against the grain. Don't forget to prepare a generous array of fresh herbs and garnishes. The moment has arrived to assemble your masterpiece. Place the blanched noodles into a large bowl, then arrange the thinly sliced beef over them. Carefully ladle the piping hot broth over everything, cooking the beef gently. Finish with your favorite fresh herbs, bean sprouts, and a squeeze of lime. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.